Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can transfer your domain from Squarespace to Wix. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go into settings on your Squarespace page, go into domains and email, and then click on domains. From here, you're going to click on the domain you want to transfer. I only have this built-in domain that I got through the account, so I can't transfer it anywhere, but you're going to go here and you're going to unlock this domain, as well as turn off any protection that you have so that you can actually authorize the transfer. Now, I'm going to switch over to this Wix article really quickly, just to explain the rest of the steps. So you're going to need to go to your domains in your Wix account, then add an existing domain and transfer your domain to Wix, then read the information on the screen and start transfer, and then enter the domain. You're going to add it without www, so you can just add like this example says, mystunningwebsite.com. Then click on the drop down and select the domain host you purchased from. So in this case, that would be Squarespace. Then click continue, and then you're going to log into your account on, well, Squarespace in this case. And then you're going to also go into your Wix account and select the I logged in checkbox. You should be doing this in 2 separate tabs. Then from there, you're going to make sure your domain is ready to transfer. As I mentioned, unlock the domain and select the I unlocked it checkbox on your Wix side. Now, get the authorization code from your account with your current domain host. This should be available to you. You can just click on the 3 dots in the top right of your Squarespace menu and get the link sent to you, or get the code sent to you on your email. And then once you do that, you just paste the code under enter authorization code and click continue. Then select an extension period of at least 1 year. Click continue again. Then check and or edit any contact information. Click continue again. Then select the privacy option, either private registration or public registration. Then click continue and select your payment method and click submit purchase. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.